Hey people, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about iHome sports reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not, and the people from United States are curious to know about the genuineness of this particular website. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage, guys, and it is an online shopping store that is claiming to sell multiple products including instant photo printers and Bluetooth and wireless speakers, ice cream makers, oral care products, thermostat items, headphones, blenders, vacuums, and retro gaming products as well. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true, no doubt, but yes, when it comes to the payment information, so at the bottom of the web page, they have provided the payment icons, which are Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, and cash on delivery. Now, coming to the shipping policy of this particular website, let's check out the delivery information by visiting the delivery information policy page. So guys, the items will arrive in 3 to 5 business days depending on the location and inventory. Apart from that, they're asking to allow 2 to 3 business days for processing time. So this was the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information, it was created on 25th of November 2020. So guys, this is an old website, but we can't claim the site legit on the basis of its domain age because we need to explore the entire information related to the contact details, company's information, trust index score, traffic score, and many other factors. So yes, talking about the company's information, let's check out the company info by visiting the About Us page. So this is the About Us page. You need to click the menu option button, and on this page they have provided limited information, but they have not mentioned the entire info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. However, on the other hand, coming to the contact details, you need to click again the menu option button and you will get the contact details. So here they have mentioned the entire contact details, but these details seems to be suspicious, guys. But yes, they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. Coming to the social media presence of this particular website, guys, you need to check the bottom of the web page of this particular site, and they have provided Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest social media icons, but these icons are not active and misleading. When you will click a particular social media icon, you will be redirected to the home page of your particular social media account. So this is again one of the biggest characteristic of a scam site. And when it comes to the return policy of this particular site, you need to check out the return and refund policy page. So in this page, they have provided 30 days of return policy, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding return of the product, and it will give benefit to other customers as well, guys. Coming to the iHome sports reviews, no reviews are available about this site on the internet and on the official website. So this is again a negative sign. We are not able to find customer reviews of about this particular website. However, we have found some evaluations that are claiming suspicious site, and apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. It means that the site comes with low Alexa rank and low traffic score as well. So guys, based on the entire factors and the design of this website, as the design of this website appears to be suspicious or copied from other problematic sites, so yes, we can say this site appears to be suspicious and you should stay away from such type of websites. For money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.